Just gotta get situated here, and I'll see you guys at the spot. So anyways, we are walking the shoreline. We're packing light. We're not keeping no fish today. Just gonna walk the shoreline, and hopefully we can find something. We got a nice long walk. We got about an hour and 45 minutes. It's around 5 o'clock, so we'll see how that goes, right? We'll see. Gotta cross the street, and I'll see you guys once we get there. Stay tuned. Set this up. Not yet though. Gotta make sure there's some fish here. Just make a few casts, see what happens. It's we got the west wind today, so hopefully we can get them to bite. This wind is kind of weird. I don't know what that means. I've never really fished this spot before, so I got one. As soon as I shut off the GoPro, I got one. Nice. It's a nice one too. Dude, as soon as I shut off the GoPro, I got one. First 2 casts. It's a nice one. Oh my god, it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Oh, it's a big walleye. Oh my gosh. That's a nice walleye, dude. Look at that. Dude, that's a big one. Oh my gosh, might be the biggest of the season. The first 2 casts. Holy smoke. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This guy's massive. Dude, this is hands down the biggest of the season. Look how big that thing is. Oh my gosh. Please don't shake. Please don't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm not kidding, guys. This thing's huge. Stay. Oh my god, it's huge. It's massive. Dude. My PB out here. Oh my gosh. Holy smoke. Wow. Look at this thing. Guys, unfreaking believable. It's called this absolute freaking tank. Absolute tank. Oh my goodness. Let me get this hook out real quick. Biggest freaking walleye of the season so far. Look at this. Let's stand back more. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh. Look how girthy that is. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Alright, catch and release. Release it. I don't want to hold it out too long, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm gonna swim off. It's alright. Whoa, dude. Absolute behemoth. Unbelievable first 2 casts. And I went to go shut this off because I wanted to go check to make sure it was recording, and I just got clobbered. Like, it hit so hard, I thought it was a pike, and that thing was massive, dude. Obviously I didn't want to measure it. I didn't want to keep it out of the water too long because it's semi-chilly. It's not too cold today, but whoa, holy smoke on that jerkbait. Let's do it again. Oh my gosh, one hit him right in front of me. Dude, I got another giant. Oh my gosh, it's another giant. Dude, it was right in front of me. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck? Where are these walleyes coming from, man? Oh my gosh. It's another big one. Not as big as the one before, but wow, dude. Dude's got another one. Oh my gosh. Unfreaking really. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. He ate it head first, dude. It's a male. Yes, dude. Oh my God, what's going on today? Dude, they're just munching like crazy. Look at that fish. That's a quality fish. Oh my goodness, man. You guys saw that too. That was crazy. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's another nice fish. You guys can see it, but look how long it is. That's another 23, 22 right there. Wow. Unfreaking believable. Going back. Dude, what the heck is going on today? Well, I think it's ready. See ya. Yes. Yes. That's so cool. Alright, so I did some walking, scouting. Didn't see too much on this side. It's a bit windier on this side, so I'm gonna walk back to the bridge and end it there. Got about an hour left, so see how that goes. Go. Just got wrecked right by the freaking shoreline here. That's a nice one. Oh, that's another nice walleye. Oh my gosh. Walk him over here. That's another nice one, dude. It's a quality. Oh my gosh. Real nice walleye. Tanker. Gosh, oh my gosh. As soon as I turn it off, right? Oh, back hook, back hook. No. I gotta land him. Can't turn on the big camera. It's a giant, dude. Back hook, back hook. Oh my gosh. That's a giant. Oh my gosh. Gotta get in the water. Dude, that thing's huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That's another tank. That's another tank. Unfreaking believable. Oh my gosh. Dude. Guys. I just struck another nice one. Unfreaking believable. Just another tank. Don't want to hurt the fish here. There we go. Oh my goodness. Another absolute tank. Look at this, guys. Gotta make sure the GoPro's recording. Yep. Absolute behemoth. Unbelievable fish. Alright. Catch and release. I had to go in the water, dude. There we go. Look at that thing. Oh, jeez. It kicked off. It's strong. Gosh. Oh, it's got me stumbling everywhere. Holy cow. Wow. Crazy. Got him. Got another one. It's another nice one. Not as big, but still good fish. I don't know yet. Hold on. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What is this? Oh, it's a nice walleye. It's a good eater, actually. Nice. Good eater and good fighter. That's what it is. Yep. I love it when I don't bring the net, I catch fish. You know? Oh my gosh. Alright. Little guy, by 16-incher, going back. Got him. Oh, jeez. I'm not ready for that. It's not a big one, but he smashed it. Oh, it feels like a pike. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh, it's a nice walleye. Gosh. I mean, it's not nice, but I mean, yeah, keeper. I guess that's nice. Yeah. Yeah, bigger than the one I let go earlier. It's not a good eater right here. Man. Smashed it. Nice. Kind of know the cadence now, you know? Like how they want it. Alright. Catch and release. Felt so good. Wow. Just absolutely wow. I couldn't believe, like, just no words, you know? Just catching those two nice ones. The other ones were nice too, but hands down the two that I caught there were my PB. All I know is that they were big, healthy fish. They were longer. I'm happy. Like, wow, blessed. That was cool. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty sure I'll be out here one more time, and this is it. It's gonna freeze over. We're gonna do ice fishing soon. So with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.